Panchanga, 5 andas, 5 limbs. Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, Yoga, Karana. So 5 concepts, 5 angas are explained in the Panchanga, so it is called Panchanga. Then why should we follow Tithi? Why should we follow Nakshatra? Why should we follow Vara, Yoga, Karana? Because Shastra says every Tithi gives you a different benefit, different result. Every Vara gives you a different result. Every Nakshatra gives you a different result. So by following the Vara, what happens? Following the Nakshatra, what happens? The Panchanga they explain. Tidhir Varancha Nakshatram Yoga Karanamevacha Panchangamiti Vikyatam Dogoyam Karma Sadharam. So in this Panchanga, Tidheshta Shriyamatnoti. By looking into a good Tithi, Shriyamatnoti, you will get all Shri. Shri means wealth, all austerities. Varat Ayushyavadhanam. By following the good Vara, good day, Ayushyavadhanam, you will get long life. Means if we do anything on a bad day, it happens against that. Opposite, right? Ayushyavadhanam Nakshatra Vardhate Papam. Nakshatra Bharate Papam. By following good Nakshatra, your papas will go. Yoga Roga Nivaranam. By yoga, by following a good yogam, Roga Nivaranam, rogams will not be there. There won't be diseases. You will not be diseased. Karana Karya Siddhischa. By following a good Karana, you will get Karya Siddhi, success in your work. So you should follow Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, Yoga and Karana. Panchanga Phalam. Karana Karya Siddhischa Panchangam Parampidam. So this is the Panchanga Varita. And now let us enter into the main topic. But before entering into the main topic, I will just touch the Rajadi Navanayika Varita. I know you are waiting for the Rasa. So let us see in general what happens in just 2 lines. This year, because the year is beginning with a Friday, Shukra, Venus happens to be the king. Venus is minister, mantri. Venus is Senadipati. Because Venus is the king, because Venus is the minister, this year they gave some bad effects. One way, Brahaspati is a Brahmana Graha. I am not saying the caste. Guru and Shukra are called Brahmana Grahas. So by giving the Adhipatya to them, Raja and Mantri, one way it is good. Rulers will spend a lot of time for public. Because Venus is the king and minister. But Brahmana Graha, a priest cannot be a commander, a soldier. If a priest becomes a soldier, he cannot protect the country. Right? So, priest should be the priest and teacher, guru, not the soldier. So, because Venus became Senadipati, this year there will be a lot of shops opened, and I don't want to say the name here, so that liquid consumption will be more this year. That liquid consumption will be more, and narcotics and drugs consumption will be more because Shukracharya has that habit. You know the story Kacha Devayani, right? Kacha comes to Shukracharya and he joins as a student, and all Rakshasas kill Kacha, and then they burn him, and then they put the ash into the daru, surapanam, and then give it to Shukracharya. So all these things happen. So because Shukracharya became Senadipati this year, this drug consumption will be more. And mainly youth will be affected. Youth will be affected by drugs and all other addictions. So that is the bad effect, and all other things are general. And now let us enter into the Mesha, the Rashi. I will tell you for every Rashi what are the nakshatras, what are the palms, and give a brief prediction because it is 2 pages. I cannot go through the 2 pages. By the time I finish the 4 Rashis, the 12th Rashi, Meena Rashi people, they will be moving with what they will be very uneasy. So Mesha Rashi, we will discuss at the end. Why should we listen to this? Mesha Rashi, Aries. I am very poor in English. If I misspell the Rashi name in the English, please correct. Mesha Rashi, Aries, and Ashwini Nakshatra, Bharani Nakshatra, and Kritika first Padam. These are Mesha Rashi. And this year, in the beginning I don't like. Mesha Rashi, income will be 2 and expenditure will be 8. But unfortunately I cannot change it. Income will be 2 and expenditure will be 8. And Mesha Rashi will be 20. Because, see, I will give you one logic. If water has to flow down, there should be some source to come from upright. If water is coming, okay, let it flow. If it is flowing down means there is coming. It is coming, right? So, let it be. And Rajapujyam means respect one. Avamana, I don't say insult, disrespect is 7. Yeah, it's very. And this year, for Mesha Rashi, bachelors, this is a good year. There are a lot of chances for marriage, so you can put all your efforts for answers. And this year, because of Shani, because Shani is in the 7th house of Guna, the 7th house, very close to the Ashtama Sthana. So this year, either to the Mesha Rashi people or somebody in the house will get health problems this year, now and then, but not severe. There will be a lot of money expenses. But if there are any pending issues for a long time, all those issues will be settled this year. And we will make a lot of new plans because of Puja, Mars in the 5th house. But employees should be very careful with their boss, because boss will always be with some Akshata Uttani. That is what they said. And then there will be Shubhakaryas at home. And you should be very careful when you take any step, any effort. And this year, for Mesha Rashi people, Navagraha Japam and Abhisheka, if possible, that is advised. Shiva Darshanam is good. At least if you go to the temple and have darshan of Shiva. And Hanuman Puja, Stotra Parayana is good. And this year, pearl and coral are good to wear. You can, and then lucky number will be 9. This is according to the numerology. And then every month, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 9th dates, Sunday, Monday and Thursdays are good days for Mesh Rasi. Now, Vrishaba Rasi, Taurus. Kritika Nakshatram, 2nd, 3rd and 4th quarters, fathers. Rohini Nakshatra and Mrugashira, 1st, 2nd and 3rd quarters. For Vrishaba Rasi, income will be 11 and expenditure will be 14. Not much difference. And respect will be 4 and disrespect will be 7. And this year, Jupiter is little benefit. So, though there will be lot of expenditure, all your works, all your efforts will be succeeded. And then this year, you should be very careful with your friends, because you may have to spend money because of your friends or on your friends. So you should be very careful. And this year there is one more advice given by Panchayanakarta. Newly married couples should be very careful this year. They should be very patient with each other. So I am not saying. And then this year, Subramanya Aradhana, and particularly for those who are expecting children or those who are waiting for children, Sweta Pushyaraga, white sapphire, that is good to wear. And Subramanya Puja is advised here. And every Thursday and Shashti, you can fast. And this year, Subramanya Stotram, Dattatreya and Lakshmi Puja are good to do. And then 6 is the lucky number for you. 5th, 8th and 9th. 5, 8 and 9 dates are good for you in this month, every month. And Sunday, Monday and Wednesdays are good. And then Mrugashira Rashi, Gemini. Mrugashira, 3rd, 4th, Ardra, Punarosa. No, Mrugashira only 4th ones. Ardra and Mrugashira 3rd, 4th, Ardra and Punarosa 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Income 14, expenditure 11. And respect 7, Avamana 7. Equal. And for Midhuna Rashi, this year, because of Ardhashtama Shani, because the Shani is in the 4th house. So, because of Ardhashtama Shani, there will be some health problems. So, sorry, very close to Ardhashtama, that is the 5th house. So, there will be little health problems this year. And then for students, this year is good. There will be frequent journeys, travels for the Midhuna Rashi people. And in family, there may be some worries, mental tensions this year. And for employees, the second half of the year is good. And for students also, first half is good. Means mostly exams will be in the first half only. So first half will be good. And then after that they should be very careful. Means next academic year they should be very careful. And this year for foreign travels it is good this year. And then as a whole actually this year is better than last year for Midhuna Rashi people. And this year for any troubles you have, Shiva and Durga Puja or Stotra Padam is advised here.